This video will guide you through the installation on level deck surfaces. Please understand all instructions completely before starting any part of the installation. Prior to starting an installation of any aluminum railing project, ensure you have the proper tools and safety protection. We recommend the following tools and hardware: appropriate fasteners for mounting posts to deck, miter saw with carbide-tipped non-ferrous blade, cordless drill, tape measure, level, power cords, drop sheets, safety glasses, 3/16" drill bit, 6" No. 2 square drive bit, optional installation jig. Each post kit includes an aluminum post tube with attached base plate, post cap, and 2-piece base plate cover and an install guide. Post-to-deck mount screws, anchors are sold separately. Deck panel kits include pre-assembled aluminum rail panel, top and bottom rail snap covers, support leg, hardware to attach the railing panel to 2 posts, and an install guide. Please note, a helpful tool to purchase is our installation jig and touch-up paint kit. With the installation jig, center and corner posts are accurately assembled without the use of a tape measure. Level panels are available in 6 and 8 foot lengths and 36 and 42-inch heights. The actual length of 6-foot panels is 69.43 inches and 8-foot panels are 91.31 inches. 3-inch posts are required to reach 6-foot and 8-foot lengths. Let's get started. First, we'll plan out and install the 3-inch posts. Install lower deck rail clips using one of 2 options. Option A, when no installation jig is available, measure 2 7/8 inches from top of casting shoulder and place a pencil mark for location of the top edge of the rail clip. Center clip on post and secure with 2 No. 8 by 3/4" self-drilling screws. Clips are included in the panel kits. Option B, using installation jig. Sold separately. Accessory pack includes installation jig and touch-up paint. Place installation jig on top of base plate upper edge with arrow facing base plate. Place clip in hole and fasten with 2 No. 8 by 3/4" self-drilling screws. Clips are included in the panel kits. Install proper post blocking under each screw location. With 3/16" drill bit, pre-drill through deck boards and into blocking. If post cap lighting will be installed, drill a 5/8" hole in center of the 4 deck screw holes to feed lighting wires. Note, if installing post lighting, wiring must be installed prior to securing posts to deck stair surface and installing top rail snaps. Level and plumb posts using shims. For residential wood decks, we recommend the following fasteners for mounting posts to deck. Do not install post caps and 2-piece base plate covers until all panels are installed. Temporarily install end stair posts so rail centerline aligns with top stair posts installed. Recommended post locations are shown for the most common installation requirements or applications. Install posts at all end locations with maximum gap between post and wall to be less than a 4-inch opening. Position the post on the same 3-inch centerline, typical, and temporarily fasten using a single fastener through base plate mounting hole. 45-degree corner posts. Post to be installed at 22.5 degrees to accommodate a 45-degree angle. Position the post on same 3-inch centerline, typical, and temporarily fasten to the deck surface. Use one 22.5-degree panel attach kit, purchased separately, to install 45-degree corner posts. Each 22.5-degree panel attach kit comes with 4 clips. Loosely lay center posts over deck edge and adjust as required to determine final center post mounting locations. Check with your local regulatory agency for special code requirements in your area. Now we'll install the pre-assembled level panels. After all posts are secured and plumb, clamp or hold the panel against 2 posts and adjust for equal end spacing. Mark the top and bottom rails and cut the panel 1/16 inch less than the opening size. Then clean the cut areas and apply touch-up paint on exposed ends. Touch-up paint sold separately. Slide the bottom channel of the pre-cut panel onto lower clip. Insert clips into top channel of panel on each end. Note: it is very important that clips are bottomed out inside of the aluminum railing channel. Using 4 number 8 by 3/4 inch self-drilling screws, attach the upper 2 clips to the post. Using 8 number 8 by 3/4 inch self-drilling screws, secure the upper and lower clips to the panel. Note: do not install top snaps yet if lighting wires will be run through top rails. Measure between posts at both the top and bottom, then cut top and bottom snap covers 1/16 inch less than opening. Clean the cut areas and apply touch-up paint on all exposed metal. Snap each rail snap over the corresponding rail channel until properly seated. Important note: the top snap cover should snap firmly onto the aluminum railing channels. Do not use a hammer. The top rails will snap by applying pressure from one end to the other. If you're having issues snapping on the covers, check the clips to ensure that they are bottomed out into the aluminum railing channels. For openings greater than 4 feet, install support legs under center of bottom rail. Slide support leg under bottom rail and mark. Install 2 deck screws into deck surface at location of foot block. Install foot block over screws. Using 1 number 8 by 3/4 inch self-drilling color match screw, secure the foot block to bottom rail from the outside of the panel so the screw will not be visible from the deck surface. Lastly, install the post caps and 2-piece base plate covers on all posts. Thank you for watching this video.